A new beast is rolling into North Africa, built in America, and now part of Morocco's arsenal. Morocco has officially received a delivery of Oshkosh M-ATVs, armored tactical vehicles designed for modern warfare. This marks a major step in the kingdom's military modernization. The M-ATV, or Mine-Resistant Ambush-Protected All-Terrain Vehicle, is no ordinary truck. Designed for U.S. forces fighting in rugged terrain, it's equipped with a V-shaped hull to deflect blasts, cutting-edge suspension for off-road performance, and optional remote weapon systems for firepower on the move. These vehicles are now in the hands of Moroccan forces, thanks to a strong defense partnership between Rabat and Washington. As a major non-NATO ally, Morocco continues to receive advanced U.S. military equipment, including Abrams tanks, F-16s, and now the M-ATV. In a region facing growing security challenges, the M-ATV gives Morocco enhanced mobility and protection for missions ranging from border patrol to counter-terrorism. Morocco isn't just upgrading its military, it's rewriting its battlefield playbook. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more global defense updates.